This is the new AIPER Scuba SE pool vacuum. This one's designed for above ground pools, typically the round ones. Now we're going to put it up to a massive challenge with a pool that is filthy because it's been winter and we didn't take care of it. A couple things with this one: make sure it's latched over here on the side. You'll charge it on the bottom. Make sure it's dry before you charge it. Make sure you put on your little brushes here and you turn it on right here. So we push this button, we hear it beep. We have 30 seconds to put it in the water, and you can see how filthy this water is. So when you submerge it, take it slow. I like to hold on to them until they're fully submerged and then let go of it, and then it's going to take itself down to the bottom, and you'll see the flap. See that back flap on the left is moved forward. It's going to start opening and closing and moving itself around. It's the first time this one's ever touched water, and it's cold and filthy. We got it out of the pool, retrieved it. To open this one up, all you have to do on this one is you open this side here and this side here. There's nothing else to open up, so it's so simple. And just pull it up, and then you'll see in here the screen on this side is filthy because that pool was really dirty. It clogged it up pretty fast. So we're going to want to clean all of that off and clean all of that out with a water hose. Once everything is clean, put this back in here. Make sure, you kind of play with it. You can see that this is going to be a little too loose this way. I want that to set down in there firm. So there's a little lip here that will sit up. And then put this one, I don't think it matters which way you do it. Pop that on, pop that, pop this, and then the Scuba SE is ready to go. Now, one thing I will advise is make sure you have let this port here dry before you plug it in. I would either get a towel or just wait a day and then charge it again. But the AIPER Scuba SE does a really good job for above ground pools.